นะครับ
We are on the train at the moment. Pandora. Ante, una lego muna. Yay! Have a good time there. Look at what we have seen. And a lot of sheep. Sheep.
sheepy sheep
Sheepy sheep.
Quite a bit of grain as
Goat
well.
and cow.
cows and goats and grass and trees
Great.
and fresh air